What is the value of a place where quietness is the greatest luxury? No traffic, no noise, just nature, space, and peace that is becoming increasingly rare. We are at the Casale degli Asinelli, and perhaps the reason behind its name needs no explanation. Animals, olive trees, woods, vineyards, and a countryside that still keeps its most authentic rhythm. We are in Umbria, on the slopes of Monte Pausillo, a few kilometers from Città della Pieve and the Tuscan borders. Let's discover this rural estate. The complex includes a main farmhouse, 2 dependances, and a cellar, for a total of approximately 416 square meters. Across 3 independent units, we find 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4 kitchens, 4 living areas, and 1 study. Around the buildings, almost 10 hectares are covered by olive groves, a small vineyard, arable land, woodland, and open spaces. Let's begin with the main farmhouse, the heart of the property. On the ground floor, the portico leads into the living area, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the service spaces. The kitchen preserves a warm, familiar character, with simple materials and a clear connection to the farming tradition. Moving up to the first floor, the route continues with the second living area: the bedroom, the bathroom, the study, and the terraces. Here, natural light and views over the countryside accompany the more private spaces. The 2 levels can also be lived as 2 independent apartments, while preserving autonomy and privacy. We now move to the 2 dependances, designed to provide autonomy, privacy, and flexible use. The first unit features separate access and fully equipped rooms. The second unit follows the same principle, adding another independent space within the complex. This layout makes the property suitable as a private residence, a hospitality project, or a multi-purpose countryside retreat. Before returning outside, a brief stop in the cellar. Here, wine, vineyard, and agricultural work express the property connection with the land. And then, there they are: donkeys, horses, ducks, chickens, a discrete presence, deeply connected to identity of this place. The land, with olive trees, woodland, vineyard, and rural spaces, strengthens the agricultural and natural value of the state. Il Casale degli Asinelli also offers interesting potential, from the possibility of building a swimming pool to different purchase configurations. If you are looking for peace, nature, and a property capable of expressing Umbrian countryside in its most authentic shape, this is a place to discover in person. Comment Asinelli to discover the price and receive all the details of the property.